Hello and welcome. As you know that AWS RDS is actually PaaS offering from AWS. PaaS means Platform as a Service. Here when we are creating our RDS database, we don't have control on operating system of our database instance. Even we don't have any control on database engine. But do you know that with RDS, we can monitor our operating system as well as database engine? AWS RDS providing us 3 monitoring options. The first option we have is Performance Insights. We already discussed about this in previous video, and now in this video, we are going to discuss about Enhanced Monitoring. So let's start. Now, before I am going to explain you about Enhanced Monitoring, I want you to understand difference between Performance Insights and Enhanced Monitoring. Why AWS provided us these 2 options. As you know that in DB instance, there are mainly 2 components. One, your SQL database engine, or it can be any database engine, and operating system. If I am talking about Performance Insight, Performance Insights will provide you monitoring metrics related to your database engine. But sometimes it is not enough. Because of your resources issue with your operating system, your database may not functioning correctly and you are getting slow performance. So it is also important for you to monitor operating system level metrics as well. Now, here you can use Enhanced Monitoring. So, Performance Insights actually providing you performance metrics related to your database engine, and Enhanced Monitoring providing you all the performance metrics related to the operating system. Right? Now, let's understand Enhanced Monitoring through the mind map. So here we have introduction. Enhanced Monitoring in AWS RDS provides real-time detailed metrics about OS hosting your database instance. Although we don't have any concern about operating system, we are not responsible to manage this operating system, but yes, we can monitor them. It offers deeper level of insights into the system's performance compared to standard CloudWatch metrics. We are going to talk about CloudWatch metrics in next video as well, but here you just need to remember that it is actually providing you deeper level insight than the CloudWatch metrics. This helps you to understand and optimize your database performance. If you have monitoring data, you can scale your database properly. Now here we have key features related to Enhanced Monitoring. OS level metrics provide detailed metrics such as CPU usage, memory usage, disk I/O, file system usage, and network throughput. You know, if you have database, you have to get total idea about how your disk is performing, because database is used to store lots of data. Now, if your disk performance is low, then your entire database will be down. So it is always good idea to monitor your disk. Now here, when you look at this particular metrics, you will find out the difference between Performance Insight and Enhanced Monitoring. Yesterday, we already discussed about this, and these are performance metrics that you will monitor using Performance Insight. Look at this. All these are related to SQL queries. And look at the performance metrics that we have with Enhanced Monitoring. All these are related to operating system. Real-time monitoring offer real-time updates as frequently as every 1 second. You know, if you go to your database, here I am creating new RDS database, and here I have these 2 options. I have this toggle button. I can enable this feature or disable it, is up to me. But whenever I am going to enable this, here it is enabling Enhanced Monitoring. Now I will get this whole metrics related to the operating system of my database, and here I can set up the frequency, right? I want to that, at every 1 second interval, all this metrics will be updated, right? So this is like, you can set up to 1 second timer over there, which is actually providing you almost real-time monitoring. Integrated with CloudWatch Log, enhanced monitoring data is published to Amazon CloudWatch Log, where you can view, store, and analyze it for further. We will talk about this CloudWatch in upcoming videos, upcoming days. So don't worry about this. What is CloudWatch? How we can analyze CloudWatch logs? So no need to worry. We'll talk about this. But right now you just need to understand that we can store all this enhanced monitoring logs into the CloudWatch logs. Customizable monitoring levels. You can choose the level of details and frequency of enhanced monitoring data, adjusting it based on your specific needs and how much detail you want. It is totally based on the size of your database. Then we have performance troubleshooting. Let's say that if your database is performing slow, how you can find it out? You can monitor this using enhanced monitoring. You can monitor specific metrics like CPU utilization. If your CPU utilization is constantly going more than 80%, then there is a problem with the CPU of your database engine. In this case, you can change your database instance and increase this CPU cores as well. Same way, as I explained you that when we are going to talk about database, it is always related to the disk. So you can monitor your disk, read and write input output per system using enhanced monitoring tool, and then you can upgrade your disk if it is required. So this is all about enhanced monitoring. Definitely we are going to talk about our third option known as CloudWatch monitoring. But for this you have to wait for next video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.